Welcome back to Two Legit Reviews, where we cut through the noise and give you the real deal on products worth your money. Today we're looking at the GASLAND Gasmart C propane tankless water heater. This is an indoor unit that promises endless on-demand hot water for your entire home. And hey, if you use our links, we earn a small commission at absolutely no cost to you. Now let's get into it. So what exactly is this thing? The GASLAND Gasmart C is a propane-powered tankless water heater rated at 113,000 BTU with a flow rate of up to 5 gallons per minute. That means it heats water on demand. No tank, no waiting, no running out. It's designed to supply hot water to 3 to 5 outlets throughout your home, or from a compact unit that mounts right on the wall. One thing that sets this unit apart is the LED touchscreen on the front panel. You get real-time temperature readout, water flow monitoring, and status indicators all in one clean display. Adjusting the temperature is as simple as tapping the screen. No knobs, no guesswork. It's a modern touch that makes this heater feel premium without overcomplicating things. Here's where it gets smart. The Gasmart C uses built-in flow sensors and a smart chip to calculate and adjust heating power in real time. What does that mean for you? It holds your set temperature within 1 degree Fahrenheit, even when someone turns on a faucet elsewhere in the house. No more scalding surprises or cold shocks mid-shower. It's the kind of technology that used to cost twice the price. Let's talk about what's inside. The heat exchanger is made from oxygen-free copper, not standard stainless steel. Why does that matter? Copper offers superior thermal conductivity, meaning it heats water faster and more efficiently. It's also more durable over the long haul. Combined with the on-demand design, you're looking at lower gas bills compared to keeping a traditional tank hot 24/7. Out of the box, GASLAND includes the heater unit itself, a 3-inch exhaust pipe for venting, a gas regulator, installation hardware, and the user manual. The 1/2-inch NPT water connections are standard, so it'll work with most residential plumbing setups. One reviewer noted the packaging was solid and everything arrived in great condition. Safety is critical with any gas appliance, and GASLAND didn't cut corners here. This unit is CSA certified and comes with a full suite of safety features. Freeze protection that kicks in below 41 degrees Fahrenheit, an overheat cutoff fuse, the mister's monitoring inlet and outlet temperatures, and a built-in flame sensor. There's even a DC variable frequency fan that's rated to withstand Category 10 typhoon force winds to prevent backflow and flameout. A few things to know before you buy. This is an indoor-only unit requiring 3-inch venting and a 120-volt electrical connection. Gas line sizing and pressure matter. If they're not up to spec, performance drops. Multiple reviewers strongly recommended professional installation, and honestly, with gas and venting involved, that's the smart move. GASLAND advises against installation above 2,000 feet elevation as well. Let's run the numbers. Propane fuel, 113,000 BTU, up to 5 gallons per minute, 120-volt electrical, and CSA certified for safety. It's available in black and retails for $399.99. For a whole home tankless solution, that's competitive pricing in this category. Alright, here's our verdict. The GASLAND Gasmart C is a strong value for small to mid-size homes that run on propane. The 5 GPM flow rate handles 1 to 2 simultaneous uses comfortably, and the smart modulation keeps temperatures rock steady. Reviewers praise the easy-to-use touchscreen, the solid build quality, and the endless hot water. Multiple reviewers mentioned how compact the unit is and how much space they saved compared to a traditional tank. One noted the copper heat exchanger feels substantial and built to last. Another appreciated the freeze protection for colder climates. The caveats? 5 GPM won't cut it for large families running multiple showers at once, And you really need a licensed installer for safe setup. One reviewer even had to upgrade their gas line to get full performance. At $399, it's a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars from us. That's our take on the GASLAND Gasmart C. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more real product reviews. Drop a comment if you've got questions. We read every single one. Until next time, stay legit.